Master P3. Have you ever wished you could visualize heat? The Thermal Master P3 allows your smartphone to uncover the invisible world of temperature variances. It produces incredibly sharp thermal imagery with accurate focus and high sensitivity, allowing you to easily identify heat leaks, electrical faults, or concealed water damage. It is incredibly easy to connect and operate, putting professional-grade thermal detection technology right in your pocket for use anywhere your job requires. AOHI Future Starship Power Bank. Do you constantly run out of battery life when it is most critical? The AOHI Future Starship ensures your devices stay powered with its massive 27,600 mAh capacity and ultra-fast 240-watt output. It is capable of charging laptops, tablets, and smartphones simultaneously and can recharge itself in just 30 minutes. Despite being compact, it is a flight-safe and travel-friendly source of boundless energy for all your adventures.
Baseus Bowie 30 Max headphones. Is it possible for silence to sound this amazing? The Baseus Bowie 30 Max headphones transform every listening session with active noise cancellation that eliminates 96% of ambient noise. Head-tracking spatial audio immerses you in realistic soundscapes, while drivers certified for LDAC provide studio-quality clarity and resonant bass. Offering up to 65 hours of playback and designed for all-day comfort, your audio experience has never been this crisp.
Kushu Magnetic Charging Stand. Your iPad instantly snaps into the ideal ergonomic position with this stand. The Kushu Magnetic Charging Dock utilizes 88 powerful N52 magnets to ensure a secure hold, featuring a high-quality aluminum arm that prevents any shaking. You can freely adjust the height and viewing angle to suit your needs, whether you're typing or watching a movie. Enjoy the convenience of wireless charging and the satisfaction of a tidy, cable-free workspace.
Bluetooth Remote Ring. Have you ever tried scrolling through TikTok while your hands are covered in snacks, smudging your screen? This miniature Bluetooth remote attaches to any phone or tablet stand ranging from 4 to 11 inches, transforming your swipes, pauses, and likes into touch-free actions. You can control your device from up to 30 feet away, letting the sturdy arm hold your screen steady while you relax without getting your screen dirty.
Mito's Infinity Dodecahedron Light. The mirrors inside this geometric lamp create an endless visual depth. Once you plug it in and remove the protective film, Mito's Infinity Light creates a multicolored tunnel effect so convincing that guests will touch the glass to see if it is real. You can use the remote or mobile app to choose from hundreds of smooth patterns, music reactive modes, or auto-off timers. It is bright enough for parties, yet dim enough for a nightlight, all priced very affordably.
Magnetic Levitating Planter. What if your small plant could float like a miniature spacecraft? This magnetic planter hovers about 2 centimeters above its walnut-style base and rotates slowly, providing your succulent with 360 degrees of sunlight while adding a touch of magic to your desk. It uses silent electromagnets and requires no batteries in the pot. Simply plug it in and gently lower the plant until you feel it lock into place in midair.
MK5 helmet. Simply say the command to open the helmet, and the MK5 faceplate separates mechanically, just like in the films. The eyes glow white, while a satisfying motor sound accompanies the movement. You can tap the side or use the remote to snap it shut just as smoothly. Designed to fit teens and adults, the ABS shell weighs under 3 pounds and comes ready to wear, display, or stop traffic at any convention. There are no visible screws or decals, just a sleek finish waiting for you. MK5 helmet. Simply say the command to open the helmet, and the MK5 faceplate separates mechanically, just like in the films. The eyes glow white, while a satisfying motor sound accompanies the movement. You can tap the side or use the remote to snap it shut just as smoothly. Designed to fit teens and adults, the ABS shell weighs under 3 pounds and comes ready to wear, display, or stop traffic at any convention. There are no visible screws or decals, just a sleek finish waiting for you.
Phomemo Tattoo Stencil Printer.
What if creating a tattoo stencil was faster than sharpening a pencil? This palm-sized thermal printer connects to any smartphone via Bluetooth, mirrors your line work within the free app, and prints a transfer-ready stencil in moments. It requires no ink, makes no noise, and needs no computer. You can slip this 0.7-pound device into its velvet bag, throw it in your equipment kit, and produce crisp outlines wherever you work. Portable Bluetooth mini speaker. Did you ever imagine a speaker that fits in your hand could fill an entire room with sound? The Xiaomi Portable Bluetooth Mini achieves this with 360-degree audio and dual 3-watt drivers. It carries an IP67 waterproof rating, operates for 8 hours on a single charge, and pairs immediately via Bluetooth 5.3 or NFC. Small but mighty, it transforms every gathering, hike, or shower into a lively musical experience.
USB 4 keychain cable. Do you need incredibly fast power and data transfer in your pocket? The Hagibis USB 4 keychain cable provides data transfer speeds up to 80 gigabits per second and 240 watts of charging power in a small, flexible design. With support for 8K video at 60 Hz and a durable construction, it is the essential cable for power users, content creators, and travelers who refuse to sacrifice speed or reliability.
XGIMI MoGo 2 Pro Projector. Have you ever watched a film on your ceiling before going to sleep? The XGIMI MoGo 2 makes this easy with its fully adjustable stand and crisp 1080p resolution. Roughly the size of a coffee cup, it features premium Harman Kardon audio, Google TV with licensed Netflix, and internal battery lasting 2.5 hours. Turn on the sunset filter, and every scene radiates a warm, perfect glow. Miyoo Mini V4 Handheld Console. Can pure nostalgia fit inside your pocket? The Miyoo Mini V4 proves it can. It packs a sharp 2.8-inch IPS display, 64 gigabytes of storage for retro games, and up to 6 hours of battery life into a gadget smaller than a wallet. Running on a Linux-based system with Wi-Fi multiplayer support and save states, it comes with a protective case. It is a lightweight but capable way to enjoy classics from Game Boy to PS1, wherever you are.
Dual-screen laptop extender. Imagine transforming your standard laptop into a high-performance workstation instantly. This folding extender attaches 2 additional screens, allowing you to work, stream, or game without limitations. It is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel. With vibrant colors and sharp Full HD resolution, multitasking becomes simple. The entire setup folds down quickly to save space, while significantly increasing your productivity.
Enabot Ebo Air Pet Robot. Do you ever wish you could check on your pet and interact with them while you're out? The Enabot Ebo Air is a mobile home robot featuring a 2K HD camera, night vision, a laser toy, and 2-way audio to keep pets happy and owners connected. With features like obstacle avoidance, automatic recharging, and a privacy mode, it offers both entertainment and security. It is a smart companion for your furry friend and peace of mind for you.
Anker MagGo 3-in-1 Charger. Have you ever wished a single charger could replace the tangled cables in your bag? The Anker MagGo 3-in-1 folds down to the size of a baseball, yet charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously with MagSafe certified 15-watt speed. Powerful magnets hold your devices safely, while the standby mode converts your phone into a bedside clock. Compact, rapid, and travel-ready, it is the stylish hub that simplifies life at home or away.
BBQ Dragon Electric Lighter. Have you ever struggled to light a grill on a blustery day? The BBQ Dragon rechargeable lighter makes it simple with a 9-inch flexible neck and a plasma arc flame that cannot be blown out by wind. It is completely flameless, environmentally friendly, and recharges in 90 minutes via USB. Featuring a safety lock, automatic shutoff and overcharge protection, it is a clean, modern update to the traditional lighter for your home or campsite.
SK05 Pro Flashlight. Imagine 4,360 lumens coming from a device that fits in your hand. The SK05 Pro Flashlight combines a spotlight, floodlight, and multicolored side light into one tough, rechargeable unit. With magnetic attachment capability, a quick-swap battery system, and a built-in 8,000 mAh power bank, it is the ultimate tool for work, camping, or emergencies. Rugged, waterproof, and incredibly versatile, this is a field-ready solution rather than just a flashlight.
Phonist Vlogmate Mini. How often do your best photos end up poorly framed or out of focus? The Phonist Vlogmate Mini converts the rear camera of your iPhone into a sharp, real-time selfie monitor with a bright AMOLED screen. Its magnetic attachment, lag-free wired connection, and Bluetooth remote make filming yourself easy and free of frustration. Lightweight and battery-free, it is the intuitive accessory that every content creator needs.
Conclusion and outro. Guys, that covers everything I have for you today. If you have not seen our previous videos, I highly recommend you check them out. I hope you found this video enjoyable. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up on this video. Let us know in the comments section which product impressed you the most. Goodbye.